Okay, today we work on hot one. It make noise, very good noise. You watch.
Cast your memory back to when we first assembled our small block. For some reason that I cannot explain, we installed the exhaust manifolds that have the broken studs on the, I guess, downpipe part of it. So before we fire it up and ruin, or at least use up, our set of exhaust manifold gaskets, we're going to swap those out for the other ones that have the functional studs. Then we're going to install our spark plug wires and crank on it and hopefully try to get it running and idling. We'll see how that goes. We're checking for spark on our sparky plug, so look for a little spark right there while we crank it. Yeah, we're making spark. Not sure if you can see it or not, but we have spark. So now we just have to put all the plugs back in, and then route the wires, and then it'll hopefully make some noise. Get ready for a brief intermission. My buddy's been working on his old Victory motorcycle. And this is the first time that he's actually had it running for longer than about 8 seconds. So, it's a pretty big moment. Alright, we're back. We have another set of spark plug wires. So hopefully we can make these work between the two sets. Hopefully we have enough that are long enough that we'll be able to get it to work. So here goes just a little bit of time lapse to put all the wires on, and then we'll hopefully fire it up. All the spark plugs are in, and I thought that all of the plug wires were in the right order and in the right places. We're going to see here in a second the long-term effects of working on a Ford small block and then suddenly switching to a Chevy small block. Hold on. Give it a shot. Okay, try it again. Our first issue is that our battery is really dead. Also, for some reason, our spark plug wires don't read for a timing light. Okay, try again. Hold on. Okay, crank it for me. Alright. That's work. Now, after adding a little extra fuel, we give it one more try with some pretty spectacular results. I figured out my mistake here. I had routed the wires going the wrong direction around the distributor cap, like a Ford, but this is not a Ford. With that fixed, we're still just trying to get it to idle with the fuel that's just in the flow poles. We don't have a fuel pump still. So that's about as far as we're going to get today. There's a big port open on the EGR system that we need to make a block off plate for, and I'm just not going to get that done within time to get the video up on time. So that'll be on next week. But we heard it run a little bit. We heard it make some noise. It will run. So we know that everything's good, that it'll actually run. Now how well it'll run, who knows. But hopefully we'll be able to get it actually idling and do some more tuning on it next week. So thanks for watching. And if you liked it, then leave a like. We will see you next time. Bye for now.